Many of you will know that we have a new addition to the family with lots of fur and 4 legs, which obviously requires insurance. So I thought I would share a quick tip with you whilst I've been looking for insurance and some of the pitfalls that you might want to avoid. So obviously with pet insurance there are different types of insurance you can get. One which will cover any condition for 12 months from the diagnosis, and another that will cover for life for the ongoing treatment. Now, having done some research into this, as I usually do, now I've found that lots of people have had difficulties with certain companies in that they've increased the premiums after the diagnosis of a certain condition, which obviously doesn't really make for a very good insurance product if the cost of it is going through the roof just because you've had to make a claim. Now, I know that that's how insurance works, but if you've got a pet that develops a condition that does go on for life, and you've bought a life cover for the purposes of covering that pet for life for any condition that it gets, you don't really want those premiums to go through the roof, because that will mean it's going to be very expensive to continue paying that company for that insurance product for this particular pet. However, if you then move to a different insurance company, there will be a pre-existing condition, and then obviously the premium is going to be higher. So in discussing with one particular pet insurance company that I've chosen to go with, I confirmed with them that they will not increase the premiums if I made a claim, or if I had the need to make a claim in the future. And this is very important because I don't want the premiums to be going up and through the roof just because we've made a claim. But here's the very important tip. Many of you have heard me say in previous videos that evidence is everything. So I've asked the very specific question before purchasing this product: if the insurance premiums will go up if I ever have the need to make a claim. The agent confirmed that the premiums will not go up in the event that I make a claim. Now, not only did I take a screenshot of that conversation, but I have a reference to that conversation, and I went one step further and asked them to confirm that this will be a term of the contract. And the answer was in the affirmative. So now I have written confirmation that this is a pre-contractual agreement. So if in the future the premiums go up because I've made a claim, then I can fall back and rely on this being a term of the contract, because they've agreed not to increase the premiums because I've had the need to make a claim. So as I say, and I will repeat, evidence is everything. So I've got a detailed record of this conversation, and I went ahead and purchased this insurance product. But if ever I need to come back to this in the future, I have a written record of this pre-contractual agreement, and therefore this will be a term of the contract. So I hope this is useful to any of you that are negotiating contracts. Do ask these finer details, because these might be make or break between purchasing one product against another, or finding out that you've bought one product years later that doesn't serve you very well. So if this is useful, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that you think might find it useful, and thank you for watching.